Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use and set up your AirPods Max by Apple. For example, we are using an iPad Pro here because this screen is a little bit bigger, but it's also the same style as you can use it on other Apple devices too. With that, we go to settings and we get our AirPods paired with the system. And of course, we should wear the AirPods Max. And then you can see on the setting, the AirPods Max settings area. Now we can change the name of our device as we like, and we can make noise control device setup here. So the noise control can be off. This switches really your device into an off status in noise control. Transparency mode means you can talk to other which are nearly area and you can hear them. You can make a noise cancellation option. That means you are full deep enter into your music, for example, and the surrounding is cleared. Then you can use here a button cycle between. That means you can switch between or with the transparency button. You can cycle between off and transparency mode and noise cancellation mode, as you like. And now we have an call controls. If there is an incoming call, you can press on the button to answer the call, or press once to mute and unmute. You can also change this to press twice, or the call control can be end the call by press twice or press once. So you can choose as you like. The digital crown can adjust it by back to front or front to back, if you like to wear it. And automatic head detection. That means automatically transfer the audio route from connected devices to the AirPod Max when they are placed on our head. Really cool feature. And we can connect to this pad automatically, or we wirelessly connected to the iPad at the last time. And of course, we can make here a personalized spatial audio. Really cool. That's really cool. That means we hear audio entered immersively in 3 dimensions. We can set up personalized spatial audio for improved audio too. And the application may be able to access head pose information when playing this satellited audio. We can see and hear how it works if we like. Wow, that's cool. Spatial audio is much better. But the stereo is too nice too, really. And then here we are. If we like to connect this to our device and to our account, we can switch the AirPods Max into our network. Find my network. That's really cool feature because if we lost them, we can refound them. And we have accessibilities. Default, slowest, default, shorter or shortest. Press and hold duration and press the speed. Audio accessibility settings are possible and follow the iPad. And of course, the tone volume. You can go up to 125% if you need it. Then we have here model name, model number, serial number, version of it, and the limited warranty, Apple Care Plus, and disconnect from only that device. Or we forget this device to disconnect it all the time. This is how you can edit the AirPod Max on your Apple device. A lot of features are available, and of course, then you can start by pushing the digital crown to start and stop, double tap, or rotate the digital crown to volume up and volume down. Push the transparency button on your AirPods Max for transparency mode, for noise cancellation, or if you choose it off the cycle. That is how you can use it. Easy peasy, baby. And the best and really better thing is if you are going to get the ports from your head disconnected it automatically. And if you use it and get it back on your head, it will automatically connect it again. Really cool feature. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 森森。